Hello, my name is Ahmad Hafizuddin bin Ibrahim. My matric number is F1187. Today, my team would like to present about our case study at PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd. For the introduction, we have decided to make a phone call with Mr. Ahmad Yusri bin Arifin as factory supervisor at PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd factory. PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd was incorporated on September 22, 1994 with a private limited status owned by 100% Bumiputra. PRM involved in manufacturing sector with the main business activity being processing rice and various type of flavor. Tuan Haji Ramli bin Muhammad is a chairman and managing director for PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd. He has 23 years of experience in the business arena and extensive exposure to rice processing activity as well as packing of various flavor, product and noodles. He also has strong vision and commitment to make PRM a leader in halal food factory. For the objective for this case study are to study the maintenance practice performed in PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd factory. Second, to understanding maintenance management in an organization. Third, to understanding advantage and disadvantage of maintenance method. Lastly, to understanding steps taken in preparing, scheduling and asset for maintenance. The organization chart for PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd start with Mr. Ramli bin Muda as director or chairman. Next, Fidaus bin Ramli as a board of director of factory production and operation unit that lead the factory supervisor. Then Mr. Ahmad Yusri bin Arifin as factory supervisor handle the maintenance department with 6 staff. Lastly, maintenance strategy. In PRM Food and Marketing Sdn Bhd factory, there are 3 maintenance types that is performed by the maintenance unit. First, preventive maintenance. Second, breakdown maintenance. And lastly, corrective maintenance. Firstly, I would like to talk about preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is predetermined work performed to a schedule with the aim of preventing to wear and tear or sudden failure of equipment component. Preventive maintenance help to protect asset and prolong the useful life of production equipment, improve system reliability, decrease cost replacement, decrease system downtime and reduce injury.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, my name is Rizky Rosli. Today I will talk about the breakdown maintenance. So the breakdown maintenance is the maintenance performed on piece of equipment that has broken down, faulted and otherwise cannot be operated. So there are 2 types of the breakdown maintenance. So the firstly is the planned breakdown maintenance and the second one is the unplanned breakdown maintenance. For the next step is the corrective maintenance. So the corrective maintenance are the maintenance tasks that are performed in order to rectify and repair the system and equipment. So the corrective maintenance is actually is a plan and schedule for the future. So this is the job test for the given in this slide. So firstly, you can see the technician is doing checklist, the procedure maintenance checklist. So what is the procedure maintenance checklist? So the procedure maintenance checklist is to make sure that there is not an accident in the factory, like check the everything, the all the system is operated as usual, so there will have no broken machine in the factory. So they will make a daily schedule checklist for the procedure maintenance. So okay, for the next slide, as you can see from this diagram, so the diagram is show about the technician is doing his programming for the flow control program by using an apps called the QC process flow, and the technician is processing result with the diagram of the flow of the machine. Okay, for the next slide about the technician is doing maintenance on the breakdown machine. As you can see, the technician is make sure all the machine is already turned off, so that they can maintenance the breakdown machine with safe, and there will be no accident in the factory. So this is a good choice for doing the maintenance on the breakdown machine. Okay, so next I will talk about the system approach to maintenance. So about the control system. Okay, what is the control system? Control system is manage, direct or regulate the behavior of the other device or system control loop. So you can say the control system is using the control loop, means that the program will be loop and loop and loop again. So there will have the no direct command, and the machine just loop the direct command, and they will not stop until the push button is off. So you can see it can be reached by the controller. So in the modern day, they just using the remote to control from the far away. The next slide is the codification and the cataloging. So what is the codification and the cataloging? So the codification and cataloging is involve naming and classifying, describing the item, and assessment of the 13 digit of the NATO stock number, of we call it the NSN. So the system aids logistic process to include supply, purchasing, maintenance, warehousing, transportation, and planning, and others. So as you can see, the cataloging is the procedure whereby design, manufacture, inspector, and supply prepares an inventory of its way. This is the job for the cataloging, like as you can see on the slide, talk about the job task for the cataloging is the design, manufacturer, inspector, and supply prepare. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Sani bin Ramin. My matric number is 24 DKM 18F107. Operating manual and instruction manual. A manual is a technical communication writing to assist people with learning or using a particular program or device. Instruction manual is a document that describes in detail the process and system that a company uses to produce its goods and provide service. Operating manual is accompanying a technical device and explaining how to install or operate it. Maintenance planning and scheduling. Objective: first, minimizing the idle time of maintenance workers. Second, maximizing the efficient use of work time, material, and equipment. Third, maintaining the operating equipment at a responsive level to the need of production in terms of delivery, schedule, and quality. Benefit: first, reduce maintenance costs. Second, improve utilization of the maintenance workforce by reducing delay and interruption. Third, improve quality of maintenance work by adopting the best method and procedure and assigning the most qualified workers for the job. Planning. Definition of planning is the process which the element required to perform tasks are determined in advance of the job start. Basic level of planning: long range planning, medium range planning, short range planning. Scheduling. Definition of scheduling is the process by which jobs are matched with resource and sequence to be executed at a certain point in time. Level of maintenance scheduling, long range schedule, that means 3 months until 1 year, weekly schedule, and daily schedule. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Omar Hafiz bin Abdul Aziz. My metric number is 24 DKM 18F 1195. Okay, today I want to talk about computerized maintenance management system or CMMS. Okay, the definition of CMMS or computerized maintenance management system software is a solution for organization looking to improve the way they manage maintenance, operation, team, equipment, inventory, workflow, and complaints, which means it's a advanced software to improve the productivity of company. Function CMMS is to provide a central repository for all asset data or other material and inventory and other vital information for maintenance team, which means is also a solution for data materials in the company. Okay, the benefit we can get, we get 4. Extend the life of asset, which means we can use for longer. Second, increase visibility and transparency. Third, improve work completion rate, which means the work is more effective. Okay, final, increase worker productivity, which means with this software, the workers can make better productivity in the future. Okay, the reason why we must use CMS is enable team to decrease maintenance costs while increasing asset reliability and ability. With using CMS, we can decrease maintenance costs, which means we don't want to waste much for maintenance. Second, making it easier for maintenance activity to become clear way for adding value to a business and providing competitive, which means to compete more, to compete to another company. Okay, manage the data of equipment maintenance. Okay, this equipment data is used for managing day-to-day operation and also historical data that can be used to help make cost-effective replace or repair decision, which means to manage the data, we manage every day, not every month or every week. Okay, the data also can be used to develop additional management information. With data, we can develop more for the management, especially for the management. Okay, final, safety checks, shuts, fire equipment inspection. Okay, the conclusion we can get, in maintenance, new trend come out, but the old trend does not close or go out because the maintenance management system has it applicable. Maintenance management plays a larger role in the years to follow industrial growth to increase worldwide and increase competition and automation plans. As industry progress, increase the downtime cost for the system increase. Meet this challenge, maintenance person has to use the latest technology and develop management skill to perform effective role in industrial profit, which mean the old trend you can't forget it because it's you can use in the future. Also with this CMS, the progress is increased, and also we can compete more in the future to 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 be a best company also, and has a good management organization. Also, the management skill can be developed more to perform, which mean we must develop our skill to for the future. Okay, thank you.